Now that we've got our hands on the Ethiopian recipe book, it's time to roll up our sleeves and get cooking. We've chosen to prepare a popular Ethiopian vegetarian dish, shiro. This hearty and flavorful stew is a staple in many Ethiopian households and a highlight on the vegetarian combo platter. Made from ground chickpeas or lentils, seasoned with aromatic spices, it's a delight for the senses. To start, gather all your ingredients. You'll need chickpea flour, onions, garlic, berbere spice, and some cooking oil. Don't worry if you're missing the berbere spice. You can either make it at home using the recipe from the book or substitute it with a mix of paprika, cayenne pepper, and a pinch of allspice. Follow the step-by-step instructions in the Ethiopian recipe book, and in no time you'll have a pot of rich, creamy shiro bubbling on your stove. Serve it with some warm injera and you've got a homemade Ethiopian feast. Remember, cooking is an art, and every artist needs practice. So don't be disheartened if your first attempt doesn't turn out perfect. Keep experimenting, keep cooking, and soon you'll master the art of Ethiopian cuisine. To explore more of these exotic flavors, click the link in the description to check out the Ethiopian recipe book on Amazon. Happy cooking, everyone!